In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your Evernote account. If you've decided it's time to part ways with Evernote for any reason, maybe you're migrating to another service or simply decluttering your digital life, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to sign into Evernote using a web browser. Head over to evernote.com and log into your account with your credentials. It's important to do this from the web version of Evernote because the account closure feature isn't accessible through the mobile app. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page with your notes and notebooks easily accessible. Next, let's move on to accessing your account settings. In the upper left corner of the page, you'll see your profile icon or your name, depending on your account settings. Click on this area to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to all the behind-the-scenes settings for your Evernote account. From this menu, select Account Info to proceed. Now that you're in the Account Information section, it's time to navigate to the account status. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu that includes several options like Personal Information, Security, and more. Here, you want to click on Profile. This section houses all the crucial information related to your Evernote account and is where you'll find the pathway to closing your account. With that done, we're ready to initiate the account closure. In the Profile section, look for a link that says Close your Evernote account. It should be highlighted in blue, making it easy to spot. Click on this link to move towards permanently closing your account. It's essential to be sure about this decision because closing your account will permanently delete all your notes and data associated with it. Finally, follow the prompts displayed on your screen. As you proceed, Evernote will guide you through each step, confirming that you truly wish to close your account. You might be asked to provide feedback or a reason for leaving, which helps Evernote improve its services. Be sure to read the instructions carefully until you reach the final confirmation page. Once you confirm, your account will be closed permanently, and you'll receive a confirmation email just to ensure everything's been completed successfully. And there you have it, a simple and direct way to remove your Evernote account. Remember, once your account is closed, this action cannot be undone, so take a moment to make sure it's the right choice for you. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more tips on managing your digital tools.